We're dealing with indices here, so I think a good idea is to write down our rules of indices. A to the m times a to the n is a to the m plus n. If we change it to a divide, then we minus the second one from the first one, a to the m minus n. And then there's also a to the m all to the power n, and in this case we multiply the powers. Therefore, a to the 5 times a to the 3 all to the 2 equals a to the 5 times a to the 6. I'm using this rule here, and now I'm going to use my first rule and add the powers to give me a to the 11 as needed. Okay, the second one is a little bit trickier. So write 1 over 125 times 25 to the 9 as a power of 5. That's asking me, in my final answer, I'm going to have 5 to the power of something. That's what I mean by a power of 5. So let's start by writing down our powers of some of our powers of 5. So 5 to the 1 is just 5. 5 squared is 25. And then 5 cubed we times by 5 again, and we'll get 125. Okay, so 1 over 125 times 25 to the 9 is actually going to equal 1 over 5 cubed. Just replace that 125 by 5 cubed times, and this 25 we can write as 5 squared all to the power 9. That's going to become 1 over 5 to the 3 times 5 to the 18, which I can write as 5 to the 18 divided by 5 to the 3. They're the same thing. If you times by 1 over something, it's the same as just dividing by that something. And then we use our second rule of powers, which we've not yet used, to give us 5 to the power of 15.